In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your account type from a standard user to administrator in Windows 11. So if you want to give another user more permissions and allow them to become an administrator, then this is something that can easily be done. All you need to do is go to the Start menu icon and right click, and then go on to Settings. You now need to go on to Accounts on the left hand menu here, and go on to Family and Other Users. So it doesn't matter if you're using a local account or if you're signed in with your Microsoft account, you can still change the account type in Windows 11. So all you need to do is look where it says Other Users and select the user that you want to change. So we've just got a test account here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Then where it says Account Options, you need to click on Change Account Type. So as you can see, it is a standard user currently. So go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and click on Administrator. You can then press OK, and as you can see, it's now changed this account to an administrator. If you did change your mind later on down the line and you want to change it back to a standard user, you would just do the same that we did, clicking on Change Account Type, but then change it back to standard user. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.